Good morning, children. So today we are going to talk about articles. Okay, so last time we discussed a and an. So today let us discuss about some more examples of a, and the. So dear children, page number 37. If you see a, use the last line. A and an are used if you are not talking about a specific person. A and an, we are using the person, those who don't know, we don't know, then we are using that person or thing, anything. So a and we use, and the particularly we use, and those who know us, we use the. So these are the main things we should remember. Okay, so that's what a and an are used if we are not talking about a specific person. Okay, we are not talking about a specific person, any person. So we use a and an. Okay. So now please turn the page number 38. You see, uh, now notice the use of the third article the. Today now we are going to talk about the third article the. So it is a definite article. The is a definite article in the sentences. Okay. You see, I want the students in the first row to collect all the answer scripts. So dear children, I want the students. So here the student is here it is a plural. So particularly students we are talking. So specifically in the first row, those who are sitting in the first bench. So we are talking about the first row students to collect all the answer scripts. So particularly, specifically, we are using the, and you see, the refers to a specific noun. Okay. You see, Muni is free for an hour now. See, dear children, an hour. So H is a silent here. So Muni is free. Any Muni is free for an hour now. She will need the hour to complete her project. So dear children, you see, we are talking about the third person. So she will need the hour to complete that work. So she has to complete that work. So she will need the hour. So particularly that 1 hour is required for her. So we are talking about the hour. But don't get confusion, here it is an hour. Before we have learned an hour, but we are talking in this sentence, in this example we are talking. So she will need the hour to complete. So here Muni also particularly they have given the name. Okay, you see, that refers to a noun or noun mentioned before. Yeah. So before the noun, before the specific person, specific thing, we write the. You see, the tallest mountain range in the world is the Himalayas. So, dear children, so the tallest mountain. So we know Himalayas. So Himalayas mountains are the tallest mountains. So everywhere we are learning this one. So here also we are talking about a particular mountains. What type of mountains? Himalayas mountains we are talking. So that's what the tallest mountains range in the world is the Himalayas. Okay. So we are talking about particularly we are talking about the specific name. Okay. You see, the refers to a proper noun that is one of a kind. Some more examples we are having here. You see, the sun. So we are also having only one sun. We don't have any more suns. Okay. And you see the moon. We are having also only one moon and one sun and one sky we are having. So particularly we are talking about the nouns. The Konark Sun Temple, the Jama Masjid, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Narmada, the Pacific Ocean. So everywhere the is there before the noun. So dear children, if you observe here, so those nouns, those names are Konark Temple. So before the is there. So Konark Temple is it is a proper name. Only one temple is there. Okay, so it is a proper name. So we are using the Konark Sun Temple. The Jamma Masjid. Jamma Masjid is also only it is a particular name, specific name. We are using the. And you see the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So Rashtrapati Bhavan also we are having only one Bhavan. So that is also instead of before the noun we are using the. You see the Narmada. It is the Narmada is a river, Nadi. The Narmada, the Pacific Ocean. So the ocean also we are having Pacific Ocean, only one ocean. So before that also we are using the. So dear children, completely we should understand before the nouns we should use the. Okay, proper nouns, particular nouns and specific nouns. So we are using the. Okay, you see the can be used for singular and plural as well as countable nouns or uncountable nouns. So dear children, this can be used countable nouns or uncountable nouns or nouns. So everywhere we can use this noun. Okay, where there is a countable, uncountable nouns or singular nouns or plural nouns also we are using the. Okay, dear children. So now let us go to the exercises. Okay. Now you see dash ant fell into dash pool of water. Pool of water. So dear children, so now you see we are talking about a particular ant. So we don't know any ant fell into a pool. So we are not talking about a particular ant. It can be any ant. It can be any ant. So we are writing here an ant. So an ant fell into a pool of water. Okay. Now you see Seema is. So now we are talking about a particular person. So Seema is a particular, the sentence tells about particular. Okay, the Seema is the first girl in which class? In the class. In the class to go home. So dear children, we should understand Seema is a name. It is a particular name. So we are talking. The Seema is the first girl in the class to go home. So in this sentence tells us, so it is a Seema is a particular. So that's what we are using the. So here also and why we are using. So here also, so we don't know what type of ant. Understand? Huh? So this is the what we should understand. So it can be any ant fell into the pool. Okay. So Seema is the particular name. So the. Okay, now you see the third one. We had to wait for dash hour. So dear children, here it is H is a silent. Before class also we have discussed H is a silent here. So R. So and R. Okay. So we are talking. We had to wait for an hour. Okay. So dash Yamuna flows beside dash Taj Mahal in Agra. So dear children, here we should understand. So Yamuna they have given it is a particular name. So Yamuna is a particular name. So we are talking about a specific name. We are talking a special name. So special name we are talking about. So here the Yamuna, you see, first letter should be capital. The Yamuna flows beside. So here also see Taj Mahal we know. Okay, so Taj Mahal is the proper noun. So what we have to write here? Here also the. Okay. So beside the Taj Mahal in Agra. So dear children, these are the things we know. It is a specific name. So we know it. So we have to use here the. Okay. Now you see, have you met? There's the principal. So we know the our principal sir. We know him. We know him. So have you met sometime? Have you met the principal today? So like this we have discussed. Here also see, have you met the principal today? We don't say a principal whenever we write a letter also to the principal sir, like this we write. So here also same thing. So have you met the principal today? So dear children, here also we must write the. Okay. So I wanted to buy the T-shirt. So that particular the T-shirt with an apple drawn on it. So dear children, about this T-shirt, I wanted to buy the T-shirt with an apple drawn on it. So dear children, so we should know the T-shirt with an apple drawn on it. So here also we are talking about a particular T-shirt. What type of T-shirt? The T-shirt is having on the T-shirt. It should be printed by the an apples on the T-shirt. So that type of T-shirts I want. So it is that word with an apple drawn on it. So drawn on it, pictured on it. So that T-shirt I want. So sometimes we are also seeing. So some color flowers will be there, trees will be there, flowers will be there. So like this here also. So the T-shirt, the T-shirt. So particularly talking about the T-shirt with an apple drawn on it. So this is what the dear children. So we should understand about this paragraph. Okay. So after that. So dear children, after that you have to write page number. This today date 6 May 2020. So page number 30, page number 38, and page number 38. Okay. So please write down in your copy, and as well as please you can write it down first in your book. After that, just copy it in your copies, school copies. Okay. So thank you so much. So please go through the lessons also. You will understand. Okay. And next class we will meet again. Thank you so much.